Hello, in today's video I will tell you the difference between free and paid plan on 11 Labs app. The free plan is great if you're just starting out. You can test AI voices, try basic features and generate a small amount of audio each month. But it's very limited. You run out of credits quickly and you can't really use it for serious content. The paid plan is where the things get powerful. You get way more usage, higher quality voices, better voice cloning and access to commercial rights. That means you can use it for YouTube, TikTok, client work or even ads. In simple terms, free is for testing, paid is for creating. If you're just exploring, free is enough, but if you want to post regularly or make money with your content, the paid plan is basically necessary. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.